Cicadas are infamous bugs known for their loud sounds and large emerging swarms. While they're mostly just nuisances for many homeowners, keep in mind that mature cicadas must eat sap from their host trees. Large enough populations can be contributing factors to the decline of a plant's health. Additionally, their shed skins leave behind more litter to clean up. In this video, we'll go over how to identify cicadas, how to control an outbreak, and how to prevent their activity in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Cicadas are large insects growing to be 2.5 to 3 inches long at maturity. They have long, transparent wings. Their body colors vary by species, but include greens, browns, black, and other colors. Their eyes also vary, but are usually black or bright red. The surefire way to tell if you have cicadas is to listen for their unique sounds. Different cicadas will produce different types of calls. Some cicadas produce high-frequency chirps, and some cicadas create consistent drones. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Depending on the region, you may have annual cicadas, cicadas that emerge every year, periodical cicadas, cicadas that emerge every 13 to 17 years in large numbers, or protoperiodical cicadas, cicadas that emerge every year but heavy numbers emerge after several years. Most cicadas will emerge from late spring to summer. Mature cicadas target woody plants, like trees, and feed from their sap. When inspecting for cicadas, look for them on host trees and listen for their noise. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. To treat a broad spectrum of insects on your property, use an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water. To cover large treatment areas and higher tree canopies, we recommend you apply this product with a solutions hose end sprayer. Apply the product's labeled rate of 1 fluid ounce of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Aim for complete coverage of the tree's foliage. Next, use a handheld pump sprayer to apply your solution to small trees, shrubbery, and other plants on your property. Go back to each tree and spray their trunks, and spray shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. Pests that make contact with the solution or treated areas will have their nervous systems impacted and die after several hours. Allow the product to dry completely before letting people or pets back around the area. Please be aware that this product is harmful to pollinators, so avoid application when and where they may be active. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've eliminated pests from your property, maintain the health of your trees and shrubs with proper watering and regular pruning. Healthy plants are more resilient to damage and can recover more easily from feeding activity. Inspect for loose wood, as pests often use them as harborages. Pick up and remove any leaf litter or wood debris around the outside of your home, and keep trees and shrubs trimmed to limit where cicadas can lay their eggs. Finally, keep up with regular applications of Supreme IT. Supreme IT lasts for up to 90 days, so one application every 3 months will provide year-round protection against cicadas and over 70 other pests. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can control cicadas and other insects on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.